So today I have received a little bit of a package in the mail. I was expecting it, and it comes from well, someone we all know very well. It was part of a live stream door prize type giveaway during one of Jessica's live streams at Christ-Centered Ironworks. So included is a sticker that says the year of the anvil, and this is one of the pieces that Jessica made, her enameling pieces, on the live stream. And I was very happy to receive it. And there we are. It's got a little magnet on the back of it. Look at that color. Absolutely beautiful. This little bit of copper wire, the cloisonne, or cloison, whatever, however they want to pronounce it. Look at that beauty. And there's a little note. Thanks for joining us on a live stream and or entering the giveaway. If you want to show off your prize on Facebook or Instagram, use these hashtags. Christ-Centered Ironworks winner or Christ-Centered Ironworks to tag us in your post. Blessings, Roy and Jessica from Christ-Centered Ironworks. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to not only put those hashtags in this video, but I'm also going to then go to Instagram and get that done too. And I want to take this time also to thank Jess and Roy for having such wonderful live streams, for having a part in a wonderful community, an online community of blacksmiths and other makers. Thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing future works.